Dave, I've come together because you've asked for a drawing of the basket. So I've made you a little sketch, and you can see from the sketch what you've got to do. There is a 10mm gap, must be at 20mm gap must be at the bottom of the basket. Mine's 100mm on the top, and I expect your tube is a bit smaller than mine, but mine's exactly 100mm. Then you've got the radius at the bottom, and you can make that run over a bit of 20mm bar, a bit of pipe, anything you like to give you a radius. The reason the radius is there to create the airflow, and the better the airflow, the more it burns. Now, the reason you've got 10mm gaps between the bars is to create more air to go into the pellets, and that will make the pellets burn quite fierce. But you can shut it down with a door. Now it's 6mm bar, 303 stainless steel, so I hope this one helps you. And all the measurements you need are actually there. So up to you. This is Dave signing off. We'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye-sy-byes. Wish we